Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing gadgetking.info. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that sells gadgets for less of the price with major discounts. So as you can see right here, for like phone grip cover and metal case for iPhone, wallets for men and personal hygiene, and they sell a lot of stuff. So before we get into the details, I get hundreds of requests to check products like these guys, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into review. So right here, we have it in their website. So as you can see, we have it here also on Trustpilot, and they're rated 2.0 out of 5 stars, and with 11 total reviews. So this person said non-delivery of item. Now the website appears to have gone dark. Still in the zone. Delivery due date Tuesday. Runaway. Scammers. Do not use this website. Scam. Total scam, and the list goes on. So this website seems to be a scam website, as you can see from just by looking at it. It doesn't appear to be a very good website, very well made website, since also the reviews are saying that they're a scam. So please do not use this website, guys. Please do not enter it in your information on this website, since you might get scammed out of all of your money. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.